Crafting a compelling conclusion, proposing solutions. Hello learners! Today, we're diving deep into one of the most vital sections of your essay, the conclusion. Specifically, we're going to focus on how to propose a course of action or solution. This strategy can provide your conclusion with the punch it needs to leave a lasting impression. So, let's get started, and remember to pay special attention to the tips and tricks we'll share. When you're rounding off your essay, it's vital to give your readers something to think about. Proposing a solution. 1. Shows depth of thought. It proves you've not only understood the topic but also pondered on its implications. 2. Engages the reader. Offering a solution can challenge your reader to think critically about their stance or inspire them to take action. 3. Makes your essay memorable. People remember actionable advice more than mere observations. 1. Restate the problem briefly. Before proposing a solution, remind the reader of the problem your essay has addressed. E.g., the increasing levels of pollution in metropolitan cities is a growing concern. 2. Introduce your solution with conviction. Use assertive language to present your solution. E.g., one effective method to combat this is 3. Provide details. Don't just stop at stating your solution. Give a brief outline of how it would work. 4. Anticipate objections. If you can foresee potential criticisms of your solution, address them. This shows depth and preparation. E.g., while some might argue that implementing such measures could be costly, the long-term health and environmental benefits far outweigh the initial expenses. 5. End with a call to action. Encourage your readers to think, discuss, or even act upon the solution you've proposed. E.g., it's time we all take steps, whether big or small, to implement these measures and ensure a cleaner future for our cities. 1. Stay relevant. Ensure the solution you're proposing aligns well with the body of your essay. 2. Be realistic. Your solution should be practical, not just theoretical. 3. Seek feedback. After writing, share your conclusion with peers or mentors to get their perspective. This can help you refine your solution. And there we have it. Crafting a strong conclusion by proposing a solution can elevate your essay, making it impactful and thought-provoking. Remember, the goal is to leave your reader with something to ponder or act upon. We hope you found this video useful. Keep writing, keep refining, and always strive to leave a lasting impression. Happy writing!